Good Friday lai dar nga Birmingham kan fa teng khom na chen kan hang ve ni Good Friday kan hang ve ni
Space so you can be at the table. Yeah, sure. Okay, please come with me.
My riches gain. Oh, the wondrous cross. Before we take communion, just to have a think about what we're doing. So Matthew 27. If you want to read along with me, I'm going to Matthew 27 verses 45 onwards. From the 6th hour until the 9th hour, darkness came over all the land. About the 9th hour, Jesus cried out in a loud voice, Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani. That's my closest Hebrew impression. Which means, my God, why have you forsaken me?
Head and gave up his spirit. Good Friday is an interesting name for today, isn't it? Good Friday. But Good Friday was a key day in the life of Jesus, a day that he knew was coming.
His body bound and drenched in tears. The entrance filled by heaven's throne, Messiah and all alone. Oh, praise the name.
hei hi Birmingham Encounter Church ania kan fa pala la te zo mo ni te ho te le Christian sang ho dia kinania khom kan bang to lal pa jan re sacrament te kan aya hian thil ei khom na te kan nei ni alai ho in so lai son sa fa so lai son hei te pona phian te Taiwan ho war soya Christian lo te pona nge te hi si phin la mel tha ale he nau te po he te kho mani he te hi nau pang pon no man tia te hian do kana hian thu theng som je lom ta in khom lai pon kan thu kol pham medical in khom bana thing puin ho na nei ni đại hiền do moni pasal en de hi ko than upa ani le khala Christian chung kwan nia alom khop mai he ta poi he nge ei ni he nge ya Israel nge ei tu em
Hey, bởi tết tiếp bia kia nào cái in khom tắc cho cần bang to dâu mà đi tết bye bye Lucy bye bye anh nung hi cần suy char charan zara nuam kan te me mani hey hi Encounter Church Birmingham an mani chung kwa le helai mi zo om ve chun te in khom na berania la tapo in khom na berania hei hi Birmingham la tate in khom na chin biak in ani a he bo in chu Good Friday te kan han man pui ve an lo fel hlop me adwam kan ti a ti chuanin anin khom bana thing pui in ho na te an neya eile in te po an siam tui khop maya e biak in sira hian kong pui kha ni me so kong pui ni a ti chuan hetang kan lakwa langa khi lam khi ani boka he lam tikhan kong pui pali a in tok khom ani ti chuan hei hetlam sira hian a oma Hubert Road ani chu a omna hi mo an biakin hming chu Encounter Church ani an biakin asir zonga alandan chu heti hi nia biakin hi asakna arei to hle ani antia achunga hian kan lut chinanga in khom chu kan bang to a ho kan nei to a ke ni poma se endi te le la la te hianin an ei in na vel hi an ti felpui awangin kan la ho thei cha lawani chu kan om dan ani hei hi achung om dan chu ni me ni chu son stage som top me ya simple ang reng khop mai kaning khom kan bang to a so uzo mani te an ho don na ava drop ma sanga o chan en dian min ron lam le don ni taxi hi voin good friday nya ko mai tur au kan nei lo ni chu kan mu lo ni chu mo
abia ke hi ka pen songa pariat chi heta chan
bye an kalta e sa mi ron lam le don ani en biak in hi
songa pariat chi ante a no him a tweet hebe kham
an biak in seizong hi mo
seizong ka pen songa pariat
he thili fachik ve a gate tang khan nge so lai hun a hung na an biak in compound atang son mo
fit songa pariat ti cha vel chu ni te ya
ani chu
fit khat e chan vel kan pen ang mo hey connect group hon nia nam sangam ni solai encounter char sami ho khan nia naktuk Easter Sunday ya biakin eil invel khang kutura nia tami hi piritai India Mizoram atanga local chuan abula korwar ha so achang tenu in nei tenu ti chuan abula kor eng ha so nau po so nula Mizoram atanga local tholu si chuan next kha tunga min kha Sandy from Taiwan Taiwan atanga local nia tin hei hi ading hi puendia in nei tu pa ani hi Jack mi ni thunga chuan abia hi khoi ram nge India thoni who is that Madhya Pradesh okay chuan next him is
from South India.
South India thoni yeah thank you the chuan tomorrow program an soy hopa kha tu na special report thei chun chu ni